Hello, how are you guys doing this morning? I'm doing good. So I'm going to give you, first thing I'm going to do this morning is I'm going to read my scripture. And it's from Psalms 107, verse 1. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. He is love, and his love endures forever. Thank you. Psalms 107, verse 1. Thank you. Okay. I'm getting ready to do a turkey lasagna. And I'm going to be using turkey meat.
Turkey ground meat.
Turkey ground meat. I'm sorry. So, turkey ground meat. I have cheese, and I have the cottage cheese that we made out of cottage. We made it out of Ricotta's. We made this cottage cheese. Okay. All right. So I'm going to be using.
And she's using the
No, babe.
She's using the no boiling lasagna, oven ready lasagna.
Okay. So now the meat has already been seasoned and already cooked. All right.
And we put this
Rio
marinara in there.
Okay, to do the meat. All right. So now I'll be putting in So I'll be putting in the lasagna. Okay. Okay, I had to break just a tiny piece off so it would fit the bowl. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, I'm putting my egg into the cottage cheese and I'm gonna whip it with the whisk.
Oh, and she had put some of her sauce at the bottom before she put the noodles on.
Okay. Now I'm gonna spread the okay. Pretty well, so I spread it out. Okay. Now I'll be spreading out some of the meat now as well.
And the meat she she cooked it with the onions and the bell peppers, and she put onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, a little cumin, and the pepper and salt. And that's how she cooked the meat. Then she put the rails marinara.
Put cheese on next.
Now I'll leave the recipe of the meat sauce in the description box, how she made the meat.
Okay. All right. Now, cheese spread goes back on there. Cottage cheese again. This will be spreaded. Okay, I'll be putting the cheese back on. Oh, the meat back on, okay. I'll be putting the meat on, then the cheese, okay. Okay, I'm putting some more of the cheese on. Okay, this is my last layer of lasagna. Okay. Okay. Now I'll be putting the other cheese on top. Cottage cheese already.
Yeah, you can use ricotta, whatever cheese you use. Sometimes we use ricotta and sometimes we use cottage cheese. Today we're using cottage cheese. But I like it both ways with ricotta and cottage cheese.
All right. Okay, I've spread it out. The sauce that I have. Okay, it's ready for the oven. It'll take 35 to 45 minutes. And I'll be back to show you the finishing touches. Thank you. Okay, this is the final touches of my lasagna, turkey lasagna. So now I'm going to give it a little taste of it for you. I know it's delicious. It always has been. So it is so good and cheesy.
Very good. Very, very
It
good.
is so good. It almost melts. It melts in your mouth. You really don't have to chew it. You can almost swallow it, just like it comes out of the pan. This is very hot, but it's very good. And I hope y'all will try it. And I know you will enjoy it. So I thank you so much. This is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. To all of my family, I love you all. But try this lasagna, turkey lasagna. I would love for you to try it. Thank you. Bye-bye.